This 2024 Palomino Puma 26 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, skylight, TV antenna, microwave, oven, TV, water heater, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, LP detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Palomino Puma 26 RLS is 6,588 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.